Humans are obsessed with speed. As soon as someone sets a speed record, people start lining up behind them to break it. Is it human nature? But, have you ever wondered how really fast you can go without problems? How dangerous speed is for you? Let's find out in next few minutes. Take your time, sit down, get some juice or coffee, or just tea and cheer up. The current speed record has stood for 46 years. That record is shared equally by the trio of astronauts who flew NASA's Apollo 10 mission. On their way back from a lap around the moon in 1969, the astronauts' capsule hit a peak of 24.790 miles per hour, 39.897 kilometers per hour. Is there a speed that would harm humans? There are a bunch of human speed records that are going to be broken in the coming decades, as we develop the technology to travel thousands of miles in minutes by land, send commercial flights into low Earth orbit, and attempt to get humans to Mars. So with all of these possibilities on the horizon, a question you might be asking yourself is, how fast is too fast? First of all, wherever you are, no matter what you are doing, you are traveling nearly 108,000 kilometers per hour around the sun. It just doesn't feel that way because the Earth, and therefore humans, have been traveling at that constant rate for kind of a while. We can actually survive any speed, as long as it remains constant. It's when acceleration enters the equation that things can get pretty tricky. In fact, if you accelerate at a high enough rate, you will pass out and very possibly die. So problem is in rapid acceleration and deceleration, that can be lethal to the human organism. This is because of what happens to the human body when it experiences g-force, or the unit of measure for acceleration. It's based on Earth's gravitational pull. 1g is the force applied to an object by gravity while on the Earth's surface. It's also the force that determines how much we weigh. So, simply put, if a human experiences 3Gs, they experience a force on their bodies that is 3 times their weight. Greater the acceleration, greater the body mass. Normal humans can withstand no more than 9Gs, and even that for only a few seconds. In that situation your body feels 9 times heavier than usual, blood rushes to the feet, and heart can't pump hard enough to bring this heavier blood to the brain. Your vision narrows to a tunnel, then goes black. If the acceleration doesn't decrease, you will pass out and finally die. So, we can withstand 5Gs for only 2 minutes, 3Gs only an hour. If you were wondering if humans can reach the speed of light, no, we can never reach the speed of light.